a lot of people if you fall in the water.
We went canoeing and this was our experience. Say hello.
I believe in my heart.
And obviously he has to treat me like the queen I am, so he's the one doing all the paddling while I am filming here.
So I'm watching so much Titanic lately that I'm like low-key scared they're gonna tip over. What are you gonna do with your face veil if you fall over?
The face veil would be the least of my worries. It's getting off as soon as I tip over.
Someone can see your face if you fall in the water.
Hey, I do have a life jacket though, so maybe I won't need to take this off. But like I can still keep my head over water. As long as I can keep my head over water, it doesn't really matter whether I take it off or not.
You know how to swim, honey?
Yes, I know how to swim enough to get on the shore. I just don't know how to tread. But I want to learn how to tread, so that will be the next thing that I want to do.
This is Rubina's first time paddling.
Guys, I've never paddled before. Look at this. I feel like I have so much power. Look at this. I have an oar. Yeah, I love paddling, especially when you do it. One thing I will say though, guys, this is beautiful and it is a workout, so be prepared for that.
This is a workout, guys.
It is.
If you want it's a nice forearm workout, actually.
He's stronger than I am, so he's obviously doing better.
I believe in my heart.
Sorry you had to hear that. A weird time to like be posting water content when the submarine news just came out. Let us know in the comments what your thoughts are about the whole submarine thing that happened. I feel like it's a very tragic incident. And this is the second time it happened at the site of Titanic. That's really sad. I don't think that I would take my face veil off if I fell in the water, especially if my head is above the water. But initially I would probably take it off. I would put it back down once my head was out of the water. So apparently we had a map, but this guy does not know where it is.
I kind of just forgot about it. So like we're in the middle of the lake, like, and I don't know where we're going.
Yeah, like guys, you can see.
And just see where we end up.
We're like in the middle of the lake and we don't know where we're going.
A bunch of duck families around this hill.
Oh, look at the ducks! Hi, duckies!
Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that I see the skyline.
And here it is. We are just passing by CN Tower. Never thought I'd be riding a boat passing by CN Tower. Like I'm literally canoeing passing by CN Tower. That is insane.
Yeah, that.
I don't know, guys. What kind of a bird is that? It's so black.
Every time I see you.
Not him singing the Titanic song again.
I'm so sad.
Okay, so we're gonna have to circle back.
No. Stop turning around. Okay, this guy just called a pony a donkey.
Can I ride the
Well,
donkey?
it is a dwarf horse, so maybe it can be considered a donkey.
Pony, I want to ride you, I promise.
And we're off the boat, and Garrett's doing a live now.
Yee. What's up, peeps? Now we're gonna be on our way home, and I'm very sad because I want to scooter more with Mubina. We ran out of drinks, we ran out of chargers for our phone. Our phones are about to die, but we had so much fun today. We would love to come back, inshallah. I want to canoe again, honey. Except I need you to help me row it because it's hard.
If you made it this far, type conundrum in the comment section.
Conundrum?
Until next time.
Assalamu alaikum.
Bye.
Bye.